What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today you guys are in for a huge surprise. I've got some caulfat here and I've got 3 pounds of my favorite cut ribeye steak. Just about 2 inches thick. That's beautiful. Now the question is, does fat bring flavor to the party? Stick around because we're gonna test that out today. See you in a bit. The meat today, I got it from my favorite butcher here in Durban for the local guys in the Bluff. They're called Ribeye Butchery. Please go and check them out. They've got a Facebook page. I'll leave all the details below. Let me introduce you to all my spices here today. It's very plain and simple. Let's get straight to it. We've got some caulfat, some salt, garlic and ground pepper. And obviously the star of the show, our almost 2-inch thick ribeye steak. Our plan here today is to spread out our caulfat. I'm going to show you in a minute how to do that. It needs to go into lukewarm water first. Then we're going to spice our beautiful cut of meat. Thereafter, wrap it in the caulfat, and then it's going straight onto the skillet. So caulfat is used for crepinets mainly. That's the very traditional way of using it. So I've got my lukewarm water. This is about 600 grams of caulfat. We need to use the water to make sure that it untangles. So we just leave it there for a few minutes. Look at that, guys. Hey? That's a beautiful piece of caulfat. So if you have a nice close look here, I'm going to try and use this area here. And it's got a little bit of a stretch, so that's what the lukewarm water is for. It's going to allow this to stretch a little bit. And this is all the fat. It's going to be fantastic. Some salt. It's going to be a very basic spice today. Salt and pepper only. We will be frying it in a pan with some rosemary and garlic cloves. So with this beautiful cut that we have here, that's all we need. Note that I'm spicing it inside the caulfat. I think we are there. I reckon we're going to do that. So what I'm going to do, it's very easy to cut. You'll see, look there. It's like a little blanket. I'm going to close it. And I think that's where we are looking at. So I'm going to cut it right there. Our first one's in a blanket, it looks like. There's a few ways of doing this. You could use toothpicks just to grab it in there, or you could just sear it on the skillet and it should stick together. I might do a little bit of both today. So you want to heat your skillet to a nice warm temperature, and you can see the smoke starting to come off the skillet, so it should be ready for our olive oil. You could use any oil you like. I'm going to add some chives and rosemary and some garlic. This is really going to give us nice flavors. Half an inch of ribeye steak, normally 3 minutes aside, without even checking the temperature. That's what you want for medium rare. That'll be perfect. A little bit more to the medium than the rare because of all the marbling that it's got inside. Over here, because this is 1 pound each, about 450 grams, we are going to go for about 4.5 minutes aside. Want to keep it even because you want both sides to be cooking the same amount. That's about 4.5 minutes. Let's see what we have. Oh, beautiful. Might open up a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. Guys, it's time, I think. You can see the fat is nice and rendered. I'm going to let this rest a little bit. I reckon about 5 to 10 minutes. The moment of truth. It's been about 10 minutes and I can't wait any longer. I think we need to cut this boy and taste it. Shall we do that? Let's do it. There we go, guys. You cannot fake that. Hey, let's have a look. Juicy tester. There we go. There's juices. That's what we want. But now, the very important thing is that we need to taste and make sure and find out if caulfat fat is bringing flavor to the pot. I'm going to cut a little bit of this caulfat as well. This is going to be one amazing situation. You know what? We need to stay healthy. So I'm going to put some green stuff in between here. Very important. Wow. Guys, wow. That's all I can say. There's perfect amounts of salt, pepper. It's got a little bit of tanginess to it because of the pepper. I love it. I can definitely taste the garlic. And this caulfat, in my opinion, does bring flavor to the party. We had nothing else. We didn't have barbecue spice. We didn't have anything else on there. It was just salt and pepper. If you like what we're doing here, you enjoy our videos, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you stay connected and you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Like always, see you on the next one.